Hey guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy chain on your computer step by step, super easy and fast. Let's move on. So what's a proxy chain? It's when your internet traffic goes through several proxy servers one by one before reaching the website. Each proxy hides the last one's IP, giving you extra privacy and security. To set up a proxy chain, you'll need at least 2 proxy servers, and we'll do that using a mix of proxy tools. The first one is Clash for Windows. You can download it from the link in the description. Open it and go to the Profiles page. Here, just import your proxy list using the link from your provider. Then switch to the General page and turn on Ton mode. And that's it. Your first proxy server is all set up. For example, my device originally had a Hong Kong IP, but after activating the first proxy, it now shows a US IP. For the second proxy server, we're going to use AdsPower with a residential proxy. Here we use IPcook, which offers over 55 million ethically sourced residential IPs in more than 185 countries. New users can even grab 100 megabyte of free traffic. To generate your residential proxy, go to IPcook's User Center to set up your proxy and export it. Next, open AdsPower and click New Profile. Name it whatever you like. Choose your protocol type. Copy the proxy info and paste it into AdsPower, including host, port, and password. Click Check Proxy. Boom, connection successful. Check on ipinfo.io. You'll see your location has switched to Germany. If you don't want to install a fingerprint browser, you can also use a free proxy tool to set up your proxy chain. One good option I recommend is V2RAN. Open the app and click on Configurations. Here, choose SOCKS proxy as an example. Next, go to the Setup Proxies page in IPcook, copy the proxy details, and paste them into V2RAN. Then confirm. Right-click the proxy node and select Set as Active Configuration. That means your entire proxy chain setup is complete. To check your IP address, go to ipinfo.io. You'll see that the IP now shows as Germany. The above are the 2 methods to set up a proxy chain. Don't forget to claim your free 100 megabyte of residential proxy from IPcook. Link is in the description. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tips and deals. See you next time.
IPcook, your fast and reliable proxies for every need.